ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Pule Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India hagar panyodra gujuleo kla Pynbiang a consumer outreach program hanong talang College West Jaintia Hills. Kajins mo join program kulong pen paupat ba syapagi kam jong katrai kata banyada yiginong thiet nong pen pen bhai kajing don kam jong mobile network ha kajaka nong kendong. Hagari gasngi adon lang kongsan kong G Shabong CCA NEI Department of Telecom Udi Pande SDPO Amlarem kumukongsan bekerpang baru Dr. RR Kharkongor Principal Jaganong Talang College. Dr. RR Kharkongor hagajingkran ulay ro hagajingtre jangkatrai ban penlong yakani program nagabentagi patba Jaganong Talang. Kum Jaka Pule ula kedawi kajingdan kam bandan ke mobile connectivity ke Pynbiang bar ula kintu yaki service provider ban Pynbiang yaka connectivity hagisngi banwan.
The college is located in the border area. It is very far away. Are you sure you want to come to our college? And he said, yes, we want to come to your college because it is located far away. We want to come to your college because it is in a rural area. They had done their research and they had found out that our college is here and they wanted to come maybe to address the problems that we face. Whether we are willing to offer this college as a center for CVT exams. But due to the network connections, due to also the problem of electricity, we are unable to, say that we can confidently say that we can offer this college as a center for CVT. So that did not work out. Another issue that we have faced during our time here is that now we are under this new system of education, NEP, under which we are doing the 4-year undergraduate program. And through this program, we are supposed to offer some courses online, and these are through Swayam. These are online courses that the students can take up, which they will have to take up in the next semester. And how do students take up these online courses if we do not have proper internet connections? Okay, so I thought I would just bring up these small issues, not small issues, the serious issues that we are facing, since it is a program organized by the TRAI, and hopefully that I hope that these issues can be taken up and resolved for the benefit of the college and also for the benefit of the community as well.